See, Shujat, everything new.
Yeah. No, this is good. Even I know in the pictures it's more big, but it's not. It's okay.
But too much noise, no? Nova hotel. Nova hotel. Wait, go little. What is this?
Huh?
Sugar, no?
Sugar.
Water no have.
Ask your Shakir this.
Shakir,
please,
water.
Yeah, please, extra water or something.
Check view.
Oh, one thing bad.
What?
This mobile switch.
Why? Oh, this is bus station. See, mosque have. Two mosque near this place. Adana, Ankara, Istanbul. Bus.
Huh?
Bus under our window.
Ankara?
Ankara. Ankara. Go Ankara.
Go.
What is this?
Take one view.
What is this?
Ashtray.
This is smoke in the room?
Yeah.
No smell there. Because new. Good room, there.
Yeah, better. Better
Super.
than this.
And see, table have,
Have
chair,
Yeah.
everything.
You know this.
Even you can sleep separate if you want.
See, the bathroom is slim, more small than this, but good, okay.
Okay. Super. Super fresh.
They make renovation.
Okay, happy what change room. Water. Only with water problem, да?
Yeah, we need to ask this your Shakir.
And today we miss breakfast already, да?
No, this is your cupboard.
Что же это? We miss breakfast already, да? Already, because now.
Yeah, we check in so today no breakfast.
Да, you can ask, of course.
Huh?
Of course. Or maybe we can eat now. Go eat, ask.
Huh?
Да, ask now, go ask. Okay, я stop video. Да, good room. Happy now. One more time, check view. What? Super.
We just checking. So have breakfast now? Okay. So we miss our breakfast today. All right. Thank you.
What thank you? Thank you. Why not? Why you shy or what? Why you no ask? Discount. Because we miss breakfast.
This is the rule. Check in what time? 3 days. You have 3 days for breakfast.
Okay. Okay, I happy.
At least have space more, huh?
Что же это? Only tell me. This is what? Fan and coffee for what?
No, I don't know why not put. Better to put.
Is it crazy or what?
This should be here somewhere.
In bathroom. What is this? Table and fan and kettle. Okay,